Hey guys, Ryan Bell with Watkins Construction and Roofing. What we're going to do today is we're going to talk about some roofing problems that generally everybody will experience. First, lack of maintenance. Ideally, you're going to want to have your roof inspected at least once a year and pretty much after every major storm event. Hailstorms, windstorms, tornadoes, hurricanes, all of those can have a negative effect on your roof. Getting those inspected in a timely manner can save you a lot of time and money down the road. If you see sagging, mildew, or mold anywhere on your roof, call us and we can come out here and check it out for you. Now let's talk about improper repairs. This is a big one because that means you, as the homeowner, have hired and paid somebody to come out and do a repair on your home. Unfortunately, there are a lot of shady contractors out there. They're going to do whatever they can to get paid and get out of town. They're going to cut corners, and it could be months before you realize that the work they did is not satisfactory. So make sure you hire a reputable contractor for any work that you need done on your home. Ventilation. It's not something that most homeowners think about when they're getting a roof done. Fortunately, it's something that we study and we think about. Proper attic ventilation will help extend the life of your roof. You need the cool air intake from the soffits at the eaves, and you also need exhaust at the top of your roof. And since warm air naturally rises, there's nothing mechanical needed to keep this air flowing. Air flowing throughout the attic, again, will extend the life of your roof and keep you from having to call us out year after year for any issues that you may have. All right, let's talk about storm damage. At any point during the year, winter, spring, summer, fall, storm damage can happen. If you experience a major storm event, give a professional roofing contractor a call to come inspect your roof. If you do have storm damage, that window to file on insurance is very small, and you don't want to have to come out of pocket for a brand new roof. Let's talk about lurk, roof leaks. If you see a roof leak in your home, you've got a problem. You're going to want to call a professional roofing contractor out to inspect that leak before a small problem becomes a big problem. All right, so we've talked about leaks. Now let's talk about that moisture. Moisture in the home can cause mildew. Mildew can cause rot. And that rot can become a big issue as it starts to compromise the integrity of the structure. Let's talk about improper or faulty installation. While that guy knocking on your door offering you a good deal may seem like a great deal at the time, often he may be taking on more than he can handle. You should hire a professional roofing contractor that's been in the area for years and will be in the area for years to come, because that shoddy workmanship, just like the repairs we talked about earlier, can take months, even years to detect if there is a problem. And by that time, it may be too late for a quick fix. And then you may be replacing the roof prematurely. So that great deal, it's not so great after all. All right, let's talk about trees. We all love trees, the nice shade they provide in the summertime, but trees too close to your house can pose a problem to your roofing system. Leaves and limbs can rub up against, knocking the granules off, the protector of your home. Or much larger trees can shed limbs, which can puncture the roof and enter the home, allowing leaks and water to enter the home. If you have a tree that is too close to your home, you may want to look at getting it removed. All right, let's talk about flashing. Flashing is installed anywhere there's a penetration on your home. Chimneys, hot water heater vent stacks, dormers, any sort of flashed walls as well where the roof meets the wall. What this does is this helps shed water and helps stop water from penetrating your home at these leak-prone areas. Critters. Let's talk about critters. Those cute little squirrels, nice little birds that you see all over the neighborhood, they can cause a lot of damage to your home if they get inside. So it's best to evict them before they get a foothold. The best way to avoid any of the problems we went over today in this video is to make sure that you're working with a reputable roofing contractor. Make sure they're licensed, make sure they're insured, check their Better Business Bureau ratings, and make sure they're in good standing. If you have any questions about anything you saw in this video today, give us a call at Watkins Construction Roofing and have one of our professionals come out and inspect your roof.